Good morning, one and all. My name is K. Ramesh, Assistant Professor of EC Department. Today I am going to give the presentation on principles of working of radar systems. Let's see what are the principles of the radar system as well as how it is going to work the radar system and how it is going to track with the other objects. Let's see what is the principles. Let's see what is the block diagram of the radar system. So we have a transmitter for any signal. We are transmitting the signal into the air. So transmitter signal as well as receiver signal. That will be connected to the indicator. That is called as the control system where we are going to this is the indicator. This is indicator that is going to provide the transmitted signal as well as receiver signal. So we are connecting with the transmitter as well as receiver. If you have only one antenna, you need to use the duplexer. If you have only one antenna, then you need to use the duplexer. So that will be connected to the antenna channel. Okay. So here the indicator is going to produce the signal which has to be transmitted through the duplexer to the antenna. So this antenna is going to transmit the signal into the air. So here we are going to find out the object. Whatever the object is there, that is going to track by our signals, the transmitted signal. Same like that, the transmitted signal is reached by our object. Whatever the object is there, that reached by our transmitted signal, and it will reflect back to the same antenna. That is transmitted signal. That is transmitted signal. And the same signal is going to collide with the object and reflecting back to the same antenna. So that is received signal. So the single antenna is going to transmit the signal in the space as well as receive the signal from the space. So single antenna is responsible for the transmission as well as receiving. So this single antenna is connected to the duplexer, where the duplexer is going to connect with the transmitter as well as receiver, where again the indicator is going to provide the necessary signals to transmit, and also it is going to receive the signals, whatever the signals is coming back from the object. So here indicator is going to decide the range of the object as well as the distance of the object as well as the size of the object also. So this is going to show in our indicator. So this is one type of the radar system. Another type of the radar system we have, that is the same system. This is called as a unipolar radar system. Same like that we have a bipolar radar system. In that we have a transmitter medium as well as receiver medium RX, and also it is connected to the indicator. And the same antenna or transmitting antenna is connected to the one antenna that is going to transmit the signal in the air. Again, the receiver signal is going to connect with the another antenna that is going to receive the signals, whatever the signals are there. So this object, so this is the object. So here two antennas we are going to use. So indicator is going to generate the signal that is going to transmitted by the transmitter in the air through the antenna. This antenna is going to transmit the signal in the air. That signal is going to collide with the object and reflecting back the signal, same signal with another antenna. So transmitting some other antenna, receiving some other antenna. So here two antennas will be used. This is bipolar radar system. So like this, in the unipolar radar system we are using only single antenna. In the bipolar radar system we are using two antennas to detect the object. Thank you very much.